Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter this recovery mode on MSI Stealth. Before we continue, I need to warn you about the fact that it may get locked with BitLocker if you do something in the system, like if you do too much. So before we continue, let's make sure that we have access to our Microsoft account. So I'm gonna go to a website on my phone. You can see it here, aka.ms/myrecoverykey without spaces or dashes. Then here you need to log into your Microsoft account. I'm just gonna log in. I'm already logged in, but I still need to enter the password for security. And now if it looks sort of like this, here it says BitLocker recovery keys and all of that, then you'll be good and we can continue. If you don't have access, then I wouldn't recommend going to recovery mode because you may lock your drive with BitLocker, and in case it's locked with BitLocker, the only way to fix it is to install Windows from USB. There is a video, by the way, on how to do it on our channel, but in case you do it, then all your data will be removed. So I'm gonna turn off my PC to show you. Your PC has to be turned off fully, and then first press on the power key, and after that start repeatedly pressing on F3. If this does not work, then try pressing repeatedly on F3 while pressing and holding on Fn, of course after pressing on the power button. If this still doesn't work, try F11 without the Fn key, and if this doesn't work, F11 with the Fn key. For me it works with the Fn and F3, and it's most probable, and if it doesn't, then F3 without the Fn. So I'm pressing and hold. I've pressed on the power key, now I'm pressing and holding on the Fn, and in the meantime I'm pressing multiple times on F3, and if it says please wait, we'll be in the recovery mode. And here you can do many various things, but what I want to show you is the BitLocker. So if you go to, for example, Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, Restart, then it should lock your drive with BitLocker, as you can see. And if you don't unlock it, then you will not be able to access the system unless you install Windows from the USB drive, which of course deletes all your data. So I'm gonna click on enter, and now here you can see the recovery key ID. The first section before the dash is what we should be looking for on the list here. So here you can see the key IDs, and I need to find the one that matches my first section. It's not the one. Okay, I have found it. So this is how it looks, and this whole long code with dashes should be entered into this field. Make sure you do it correctly. Now I have entered it, and I can click on enter, and I can just continue further. So in this case, I'm just gonna open the safe mode with networking, because without networking, probably I will not be able to log into my account. Of course, it's if you want to enter safe mode, but if you want to factory reset your laptop with the recovery mode, you still need to have access to the Microsoft account, so to use the BitLocker key. So most probably for most of the options in the recovery mode, you will need to have the BitLocker account access. So I'm gonna select the 5 because I will need to log into my Microsoft account in order to log into the account, because my PIN won't work. And now I can click on set up my PIN. Here it'll reload and probably I will need to click on that again. It always does that, I don't know why. And it's all on all laptops that it always reloads, and then you need to click on that again. Yeah, and now I need to click on that again, and here I need to, okay, I need internet for this. Let's see if I have internet access. No, I don't, so I would need to plug in the Ethernet cable, so I don't really want that. I don't really care anymore, so I'm just gonna shut it down. And that's all about the recovery mode. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.